two major insurance giants head-to-head, one burning question which truly has your back. On the left, Liberty Mutual, known for customizable coverage and quirky ads. And on the right, Nationwide, a household name that's on your side. Let's put the slogans aside and jump into what actually matters. We'll break it down category by category, tallying points to reveal the clear winner. The final score might just surprise you. Here's what we're gonna cover to really break these down: price and discounts, digital tools, customer service, coverage options, and financial strength. Yep, we're actually going to look at more than just the price tag because let's be honest, what good is cheap insurance if the app crashes every time you need to file a claim? Okay, let's talk about price and discounts. Starting with Liberty Mutual, honestly, there's a lot to like. They've got a buffet of discounts, multi-policy, safety features, even a new car can save you some bucks. And because their coverage is super customizable, you might be able to tweak the policy just right and keep costs down. That said, rates sometimes still creep above average, especially in certain regions. Alright, moving on to Nationwide, they throw in some strong discounts too, especially if you bundle. Plus, I have to say this vanishing deductible for loyal customers, pretty interesting. But here's the thing, their base rates tend to sit a little higher than the national average. So, at the end of the day, Liberty pretty much edges out Nationwide in this category if saving money is your top priority. Now let's get nerdy with digital tools. Liberty Mutual kills it here. Their mobile app, it's a favorite, easy claims, accident support at your fingertips, the whole shebang. Occasionally, you might get a random glitch. Hey, no tech is perfect, but overall, it's smooth. Nationwide's digital game isn't shabby either. The website and app get solid feedback, but if you want the bells and whistles, Liberty's got more to play with. So Liberty's taking the win for tech lovers. Alright, let's chat customer service. Liberty's got round-the-clock claims support, which is great, but the reviews on actual claims satisfaction, kinda mixed, honestly. Now flip over to Nationwide. These folks are the gold star student when it comes to service. People really like their agents and their JD Power scores are way above average. I'll just say it. If talking to an actual helpful human matters, Nationwide is your pick here. Clear winner. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Nationwide actually started out as an auto insurer for farmers way back in 1926? Seriously, talk about humble beginnings. Coverage options time. Liberty comes out swinging with some quirky add-ons like this better car replacement thing where they'll upgrade your totaled car. Plus, you get all the usual options, but fair warning, not every extra is in every state. Nationwide, super broad coverage, tons of riders, specialty options, even life insurance if you want to go all in for multi-line. But sometimes getting that perfect personalized plan depends on where you live. So honestly, this one's a toss-up. Both have strengths, so yeah, I'd call it a tie. Finally, let's talk financial strength. Liberty's got an A from AM Best. Pretty solid, right? But if you're the kind of person who wants absolute gold-plated stability, Nationwide's rating is even better, A+, and they've been around for nearly 100 years. The company basically started when people still rode horses to work. If you want max peace of mind, Nationwide inches ahead here. If you put it all together, visualize it like a radar chart, you'll see Liberty takes the crown for digital tools and cutting costs, but Nationwide wipes the floor when it comes to customer service and financial heavyweight status. Coverage options, that's your gray area, both are strong. So what's my take? If you're a tech lover who wants low rates and lots of tweaking, Liberty Mutual is honestly hard to beat. But if your top priorities are getting top-notch support and knowing your insurer is absolutely rock solid, plus you might want a bundle in other insurance, then Nationwide makes a ton of sense. It kind of comes down to what matters most to you. If you found this helpful, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you next time.